Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my Mio planner, which is the new Mio planner from Happy Planner released in 2021. So I pulled out a whole bunch of little washi stickers that I have. They're tiny, they're like 4x4 I think, or 5x5, really tiny. They do need to be cut, so I'm cutting them, and then I'm going to go ahead and create a spread with those. So today we are decorating my wellness planner for the week of March 7th through the 13th. I am very excited because again, it's something different. I haven't done this in a long time. I think last time I did this I was creating a secret garden in one of my planners. So it's been a while, but it is a little labor intensive, as you can imagine, cutting all of those out and then trying to peel them. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up a little, so this way you guys are not stuck watching this for 5 hours. But no, it didn't take me 5 hours, but it did take me a little over an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and just keep adding these little things. I think it's so much fun to add those for spring. So we have rain boots and watering can and little things like that that really stand out to me and scream spring. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Little watering can. I'm gonna just cut all of these things out, and then we'll be applying them to the spread. Taking off the washi off of its backing is really tricky. So the backing part is very sleek and translucent, and then that's paper. So chances of you ripping the sticker versus the backing is much higher. Also, I wanted to say thank you if you are here for the first time. Welcome to my channel. I hope you will enjoy it here. And if you are returning, welcome back. Thanks for spending time with me, and I hope you guys like it too. So all I'm doing is cutting all of these out that I'm going to be using, and I'm gonna go ahead and start working on those. So I have a flower, I have little butterflies. This will be for sure very different. So just heads up, if you want to see spreads like I used to do with just flowers, this isn't, I mean, they're coming back, but just not this video, so sorry. Sometimes I need a little bit of change in my life. So I pulled out my tiny little trash can to put scraps in, because I really don't like having dirt on my desk and like garbage, so that's why I do that. And then as I'm doing this, I'm just going to be adding elements all over. So first I'm gonna add this really cute wagon with plants. How cute is that, right? And then I'm gonna add rain boots with flowers on the other side. Whenever I see rain boots and flowers, it reminds me of Live Love Posh for some reason. Okay, so then I'm gonna look at that beautiful jar with flowers, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and add these flowers kind of a loose way. Also, quick tip, so as you can see, I'm blocking a lot of space for write with these stickers, but since this is paper, I can just write on top of it. So sometimes I will do that, where I just take my washi and write on top of it, and that's okay. You don't have to do whatever works for you. So I want to place this little jar like that, like it's the flowers are falling out of it, and then the little tag right there. another watering can with some plants in it. I think that's really lovely. And then I'm going to bring some more blue to that side with that tiny little plant and the spring popping out. And then adding these tulips, which are lovely. Okay, and I'm trying to open up like all of this stuff to add, but it's proving to be quite challenging. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and play a little bit with washi and remove ingredients to prep, because that's not what I use this for. So I'm gonna go ahead and play with some washi tape. I got the Doodlebug Designs, but I don't think I want white in here. I think I want to liven it up and make it fun. So I'm gonna add this beautiful like dark pink. Like so. So just adding little things, a few things here and there. And then I'm just gonna write all of my stuff that I track. So I track medication, step, sleep, and mood. So I'm not adding boxes into those this week. I'm just gonna write it in the big box in the planner. So this just goes to show you that you could do it both ways. Don't be afraid to write in your planner. I know a lot of times I say that and I still just write in stickers, but I've been more and more brave lately and really venturing out and playing with my planner. Okay, so all of my trackers are down. I think I want to layer my washi, you guys. I don't know, but I think so. So let me go ahead and put this on the top, so at least it looks like it's matching. Okay, so now I'm gonna layer these florals on top. I don't know where this washi is from, but I had it for a while and I really like it. So that's what I'm using. I'm just adding this like so. Okay, and after this I'm practically done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a blast creating it. Like I said, it is slightly different than my normal ones, but once in a while I do enjoy a change. I hope you guys do too, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Meanwhile, stay happy and healthy, and thanks for choosing to spend time with me. Bye!